Welcome to TechBrothersIT here. In this video, we're going to perform cross warehouse queries in a Microsoft Fabric. So here is my workspaces and you can see there's a sale workspace. Let's click on that one and then we have different folders. One of the folders is called warehouse and once I click there, I have two warehouses. One is called sale data warehouse and another one is the tech warehouse. So let's open the tech data warehouse and take a look. Here's my tech data warehouse. So let's click on that one. We will see the schemas. Under the schemas, we'll see different tables. Now I'm going to expand that and we have a list of the tables here. Now in case we want to see the total records in this table, let's say orders table, I'm going to click right there, new query, and then top 100. So now it's returning me 9 rows and you can see right there. Now I can use the filter clause here where say where order ID is greater than only 3. So it's going to return me all those records here. Give me 1 second and let me type here and that's execute. And it says that order ID is not there, so I'm going to copy this exactly the same name of the column and execute. Now it is returning us 4 records, or sorry, 3 records. Now think about that, this is my tech data warehouse, and if I would like to write this output to another data warehouse, that I can do that as well. So let me click on warehouse here and then I will select sales warehouse. And now we have a sales warehouse as well, you can see right there. Let's expand that one and then go to schemas and here list of the tables sale warehouse has. You can see right there, there are only 2 tables available in this warehouse. Now how I can insert this into the other warehouse. So this is going to be cross warehouse. So you see right there, this is a 3-part naming convention. So we have a warehouse name, then we have schema name, and then we have a table name. The same thing we can do for the other one. So here if I will say select these columns and then I use into, and now I will say sales data warehouse dot dbo and then I say orders table. And then what's going to happen, it's going to create a new table in sales warehouse and in under the schema called dbo and the table name orders, and it's going to insert only these 3 values or sorry rows in this new table. Let's execute and take a look from there. We can see that the 3 rows are affected. I'm going to go to the tables in this sales data warehouse and you can see that we have orders table created. I can go right here, new query, and select top 100 rows and it is showing me 3 records. So this is how you will be doing cross database queries. You have to use fully qualified name that should have a warehouse name, that should have a schema name and a table name. Now let's do another scenario where we will be talking about joining 2 tables from different warehouses. So here's a tech data warehouse and let's take a look on the tables and we have a customer DW. Let me select some data from here and see the records. So we have 3 records here, that's fine. And if I will go to the let's say sales data warehouse and then take a look on the customers sales customer table, then let me get the query from there as well, and it has 3 records as well. Now you can see that the IDs are pretty much matching, so I can combine these 2 tables. So let me go right here and I'm going to just delete this top one, and what I will be doing, I'm going to use it same copy here and I'm going to call this T and then say inner join, and then I will do the inner join with the, let me actually type it there, sales data warehouse and then .dbo table name. So in this case the sale customer, and I call this S, and I would like to join these 2 tables on T dot customer ID equal to S dot customer ID. Okay, so inner join will give us all the matching records from both tables. So as I have provided the alias for these ones, I'm going to go ahead and select some of the columns with from the T. So let's say I would like to get the customer ID and first name from T, and then I would like to get S dot last name and S dot country, and then I'm going to remove all other columns because I don't need them. So you see right there, this is a 3-part naming convention I'm using. So I'm selecting everything from here with this table. So warehouse.dbo schema.table, inner join warehouse sales warehouse.dbo schema.sales customer S, and here I am missing on clause because that's how the joins work. Now I can go ahead and execute this query, and this is going to return me this record wherever IDs are matching. So you see there I am getting these two columns from the this tech data warehouse customer table, and then I'm getting last name and country from the other table. So cross warehouse queries are very common. You can use them, and it's easy, but just you have to use the three part name and convention. Okay, now if you are connected here and this window, now what if you don't want to see all of them, you can always go ahead and remove from warehouse, and here if you want to click right there, let's remove that from this warehouse, and you are done. So I hope you learn how to do the cross warehouse queries in this video, and I thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.